probably not a secret anymore, but this still is one of the best hidden gems in Miami. I received a bunch of comments asking where did I catch that mutton snapper. Oh, we're on. Caught ourselves a little keeper mutton, and this is it. Here's the thing, this isn't just any pier. It's inside of this tiny park in Miami Beach that has a whole ecosystem, but no one will notice because it's below the surface. This is Maurice Gibb Memorial Park, a little park inside of Miami Beach. Faces out towards the Biscayne Bay, located right in the middle of Miami Beach. We caught a bunch of bait last time, a nurse shark, and we even got a keeper mutton. Instead of just pointing it out on a map, I want to show you what makes this place so unique. Maurice Gibbs is more than just where I caught a couple fish, and I want to walk it, explore it, and show you everything that makes it so great. This park has 3 fishing piers that you can get to. I think it covers like 250 feet of water. So kind of like the last time we fished here. It wasn't working on one, so I went and jumped over to the other pier, and from that was able to leave home with dinner. And there's something else. And that is the first 2 piers. Those piers have a unique shape that actually create a fish haven, a sanctuary for these small bait fish and smaller reef fish to actually hide from bad weather, current and waves, creates more shadow and structure, gives a place for algae and crustaceans to grow. It does so much for the ocean environment, and it just creates a better fishing experience because these smaller bait fish bring in the bigger fish that bring us. This isn't the best day to show off all the benefits of this park. I'm not gonna lie, this weather is about to come down. So, oh my God. This place, I feel, has all the key ingredients. The current, the structure, and that access to slightly deeper water. Plus, it throws in a little bonus. If you aren't having any luck on all 3 piers, there's actually access to fish the bridge. And who knows, that might give you the last little bit of luck you need. Oh, we're on. But this place is more than just piers. And you're probably not doing it on a day like today, but you can launch your boat from here. They have slips here. This place is actually pretty good because it gives a great launch point. You can either run out to some islands and just take a chill, or you can go out of Government Cut and hit the offshore. All right, let's back up. There's actually no boat slips. What you see behind me is incredibly cool. It's a launch for your kayak or paddleboard or any non-motorized vessel. It has these grab bars that make it so much easier to launch a kayak. But whether you fished offshore or inshore, we appreciate you because it actually even benefits of us fishermen on the pier because of the dock pets it brings. Kind of like our trip last time. We saw that huge tarpon, and I'm sure you see jacks from time to time. And all this from giving back by throwing your fish scraps back in. But this place isn't only about fishing. I like the fact that you can plan a full-on family day here. It has a cool music-inspired design to their playground. Their playground is actually gated, which is perfect since it's right next to the water. And then there's all these cool little extras around the park that make it, I think, unique. A cool little piano bench that keeps up the whole music design, these mini sunset viewpoint ledges, a dog park area, a plentiful of picnic spots. It's a place for everyone, whether you're here to fish, relax, or honestly just take in the view. As I finish talking about the ramps, it starts pouring, and I just want to let you guys know how grateful I am for each of you that commented, each of you that have subscribed through that last video. I just want to keep doing this journey with you, and if you haven't subscribed, tune in because this is just the beginning. This got me thinking, this hidden gem here is so beautiful. I want to see what else beautiful South Florida has to offer. So I might make this a regular thing. Stay tuned.